Hello! We are happy to inform you that Chinabrands is now supported by Hasselgodrill. As you may all know, it's an official dropshipping platform, so you will be able to dropship their products without any issues and inconvenience. They have over 300,000 items for sale, and you will have access to the best products at the lowest prices across the internet. Remember that if you access through our link, you will have free lifetime VIP membership that it's worth $399. They also have awesome customer service, so you will be able to contact them whenever you want in regards to any of your queries. Items are dispatched from China but deliver worldwide faster than stated. They dispatch orders within 12 or 24 business hours of the order being received. Make sure you sign up to Chinabrands through our link so you don't get charged $399 for a lifetime VIP membership, and you will also get unlimited free listing downloads. I am going to show you how to dropship from Chinabrands. So you have to access the website and then you have to sign in once you have clicked on our link. So sign in, and then you will have to choose the category that you want to list the item from. For example, toys and hobbies. Here you will see all the items. You only have to choose yours. Remember to choose your country here. So in this case, I've chosen Great Britain pound. If I want to list this item, I have to choose the country that I am shipping the item to. So I have to choose United Kingdom. And automatically the cheapest shipping cost will be chosen. In this case, £2.16. You have to click on confirm, and that's it. Now you only have to click the extension button, as always, exactly the same way as you do with the other suppliers on Hasselgodrill. You will now have to choose your item specifics and fill them all in, and finally click on submit. And that's it. That's all for today. So please don't hesitate to contact us whenever you have a doubt, and we will be there to help you. And as always, remember to follow us on social media and watch our YouTube channel. Thank you very much and have a great day.